What's up everybody, in this video I'll be showing you how to buy a funded account in Tamil. So for that the process is very simple. All you have to do is to go to Funded Next website. Just open that website up. So once you're on the website, just go and click on the website main page which says fundednext.com. Here just swipe down and you will see different plans option. Here you guys can see that there are several plans over here with account size of different variances. First one says that $6,000, the other one 15,000, then 25,000, then 50,000. And each plan the profit ratio is 15%. Then the first one will give you $117 as a profit. The other one will give you 292, then 487, then 975 respectively. So the profit target is for part 1 it's 8% and for the part 2 it's 5%. These are some challenges that you have to do in order to get the profit. So the maximum daily loss is 5%, the maximum overall loss is 10%, balance base drawdown is allowed, minimum trading is 5 days, and the profit split up to is 95%. So that's how you can simply click on it and buy the plan and the account size. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful.